Пачанга полная.
Пачанга.
Пачанга.
Göteborg.
Göteborg.
Göteborg, Göteborg. Skål.
Скоро. Друзья, Швеция, видите, Гетеборг, помните, мы делали прогулку по Гетеборгу, также, ну, вы знаете, царя Гисляндии. American house, live my friend.
Oh, okay.
Бур my компис.
Компис, yeah, that's right.
Вот. Так что, друзья, именно с этого Гетеборга приехали люди здесь сегодня отдыхать. Vad heter du?
Jorge.
Jorge.
Yeah, Jorge. And Elias.
Jorge, Elias.
Yeah.
Anzor.
Sorry, nice to meet you, sorry.
Nice to meet you.
This is Charlie.
Charlie. Anzor.
Hey.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. Yeah. Great place. I like it. Big family.
Vino.
Vino from England.
Yeah, vino from England.
How often you use jävla?
More or less all the time. It comes in everywhere,
The
jävla.
most famous word in Sweden, most used.
Det är så jävla really extensive.
Over here we have.
You actor.
Me actor.
Вот, друзья, у нас новый
We
актер.
have the sea. We have the boats. We have everything here.
Nice.
This is life.
Yeah, this is life.
Very nice. And over here is the mountains.
But not enough birds.
Inte konstigt att slå det.
Not enough birds. Trumpets. If you have a beach, what is the must thing you have? Girl in bikini. Otherwise the beach is not good. It's how do you say beach is good? Oh, there were so many girls. You ain't no bloody children here though.
Yeah, it's nice here. We like it. It's much better than an expensive hotel. And look what you get here. Big terrace, good people, cheap. It's nice.
Yeah, you just, they go in expensive hotel, but there is no enjoyment.
Exactly. You get your own little. You pay so much money and you're just by yourself all the time.
Just in the hotel room itself, looking at the doors.
These hotels, you know what they have? They have this manicure place and sauna and hairdressing and whatever. So these people go and sit there getting their figures done, looking good. And then have a competition, right? Oh yeah. They just look, do you get me? There's no real competition, but and designer clothes.
It's nice here. You can relax. You don't have to think about nothing about that.
How are you gonna live your life?
Smile.
Yeah.
Smile.
Always smile. That's life.
First Ганджубас, after smile. Друзья мои, сейчас наши друзья из Швеции будут вести Анзор ТВ и полностью комментировать все, что здесь происходит. Смотрите внимательно.
Kör lite runt så.
Svenska, English.
Svenska, allting, ja men det är bra. Då pratar vi svenska så det blir lite blandat här. Lite engelska, lite svenska.
Yeah. But
Kör där runt och så håll försiktigt så här.
You're nice to me, I'm nice to you. That type of respect.
Yeah.
It's more that respect.
That means what is that place? There's no ranking.
Yeah, no ranking. No. We don't like the rankings type of respect.
Och så tar vi över lite på svenska. And then we take it over in Swedish. Här har vi havet. I Los Cristianos. Here we have the ocean in Los Cristianos. Aquí tenemos el mar en Los Cristianos. Sitter på terrassen, dricker en öl. Njuter av livet. Sitting on the terrace, enjoying life.
Good life, yeah.
Yesterday we slept under the sun, it was nice.
Yeah, last night. Igår sov vi på stranden under bar himmel. Last night we slept under the sun on the beach in bare sky. It was nice.
Oh my God, really? Red shoes.
Like them?
No, but I thought...
No for sale, no senor. Back off my shoes. Back off my shoes, not for sale.
Red shoes is for ballerina. They're going to do a bit of a dancing for us.
Hey, actor.
Yes.
Actor.
Action.
Actor.
Actor.
He's an actor.
Movie actor.
Skådespelare.
Skådespelare, yeah, that's true.
Doing what?
I can't tell.
Huh?
I can't tell.
Can't tell me. Yeah, it's a silent movie.
Let's just say there are girls involved in some of them.
Yeah, it's a silent movie. I can't tell you what.
Och tungan är då så säger exakt samma sak som jag tänker när det kommer till respekt. Två typer av respekt liksom. En som har med rädsla att göra och en som har personligt att göra. Det var exakt det jag sa igår. Exakt de orden. I say exactly the words he said about respect and everything. I said exactly the same thing to them yesterday.
Yeah. The break is over.
What the fuck are you? They keep washing these bloody boats, you know. I'm astonished, you know. Every day they have to wash the floor of the bloody boat. Would you believe it?
Yeah.
Yeah, but why wash the floor every bloody day?
Can I get the lighter?
Of course, my brother.
Because everybody needs a job. Right?
Huh?
Everybody needs a job.
Bloody hell.
Bloody hell. Here's our guy, man. Cheers, bro.
You did a job for me. No, you clean the fucking floor every morning. It's like a woman, isn't it? We start hoovering, mate. He said, you know, every day you have to hoover the same bloody carpet, time and time and again, till there's no more carpet. Like, this, what's the Swedish one? Get another carpet. Mata, yeah. Yeah. 1 year, after 1 year, they say, don't like these curtains, go and get something else. Bring me the catalog, I choose the design. That's a bloody job, isn't it? Every year they change the curtains. No Swedish, I'm a lot of English women, you get me? I saw some new curtains, they want to change.
Indian?
Jimmy, Acha, Indian song.
Indian song? No, I never heard it.
You see, the Indians like it because it's all programmed. It's artificial. It's not a natural. That's right. You know, it's like a lots of this song I told you.
Skål.
They prepare the notes, the music.
Island. From north Tenerife down to south Tenerife. And it's very beautiful. Salute.
Salut.
Salute.
Salut.
Salute.
And there goes the boat.
What?
Yeah.
Stand up and you can see
Nej, men bakom eller?
Ja, kom igen.
It's behind.
Kom igen.
10,
Kom igen.
9, 8,
Jag kommer inte se det.
6. Han också, vart? 5, 4.
Stand up.
Alltså du, så står han sitter kvar. Vart?
Well, if I drop the phone I stand here instead. Men det var ingen piratbåt, no pirate boat, just rescue boat.
Okay. Don't forget to check out Anzur.tv.
Yeah, don't forget to check out Answer.tv
On YouTube.
On YouTube.
Channel Anzur.tv. Bam, där ska vi klippa den.
Spread it.
Bam.
Cut.
Spread the word.
Spread the word.
Spread the
Bam.
word.
Spread the word.
Bam.
I said spread the word.
Bada bam.
Spread the word.
Bada bam.
Spread the word.
Bada bada
I
bam.
said. You high motherfucker.
Cut.
Jag får ta den här.
Pachanga.
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 Tango.